Alright, so this is going to be the figure 4 Ogoshi. You could do it from a bottle or you could do it just with the bare hand. So someone breaks a bottle and they try to attack. You could come in this way or you could go this way. Depending on how he's swinging it. If he's doing an overhand, then what you want to do is block, X block, and then you want to, so my hand would be turned this way, right? So that I can come up under it. And I've got it in a figure 4 lock, and I'm doing it. The takedown. The disarm would be pushing it against the ground.
Curling that.
Curling that in.
Curling that in.
Crushing the wrist and disarming a knife or bottle. And if it was just barehanded, maybe like you can just, from maybe pushing or from a punch, you can kind of grab the wrist and do that. Yeah. Ogoshi. Okay. Then you would probably knee, but the difference is if it's overhand. Okay, my hand is turned upside down, so that as soon as I block, I can grab, and I've got you right into here in figure 4. Sweet. And you can use the bottle against them too. Go into him or there. Okay, that's figure 4. Probably Tai Chi.